Namaste, welcome to all. Today we'll discuss about complement set. Okay. Suppose if we went to a function and in dinner some food items are there, we will make it a list. We make it as a set. Let A contains all food items like sweet, next chips. There will be roti, rice, and curries will be there, and you'll be having curd and pickle also. So after having all these items, still we want some complements. What are the food complements? Yes, they are like fruits like banana and ice cream, which children will like very much. And we can have pan to digest the food. These are, see, actually they are not the food items. They are the complement provided for food items. Okay. Similarly, if we come for sets, we will show a Venn diagram. See, it is, wait a second. Okay, I want to take one more color, light black. Okay. See, universal set, we use rectangle boxes. Okay, and it is denoted with letter mu or u letter. Okay, and a circle we have to take. Sorry. Inside the universal set only we can take. Okay, this contains all food items. Okay, you can show this region where food and all items are there. No, that you can take one type of lines. I'm using blue color horizontal lines. Okay, here all food items are there. Next to see the complement, where it will be. It will be the. It won't be present in the food items region. It will be there in universal set, but not in A. It will be like this. Okay. Okay, this region, see the region. Okay. Outside the food items and which is present in the universal set, which is present in buffet, like that. So A complement, how we can define? See, A definitions and all, we'll write with one color. Okay. See, A complement, we told it will be denoted by A dash or A in superscript C you can write. It is defined like that. X such that X belongs to universal set and X does not belongs to A. Okay. So elements in universal set but not in A. It is called A complement. This is the definition. And also you observe, see, if you join A and A complement, you are getting universal set. And if you want any common elements, which are both in A and A complement. See, A complement, how we told, the elements which are not in A. So we cannot have common elements. So it will be empty set, or you can denote with a letter phi. Okay, this is about complement set. Even now, we can discuss number system and relate it to complement. Okay, how we can relate it to complement, we'll see. Wait a second. I'll move this. If you take the number system, real numbers, we will try to draw the Venn diagram. See, here we learn about real numbers also, number system. Okay. First, real numbers are universal set. No, so one rectangular box I will draw. Real numbers are denoted with the letter R. Okay. Now see what and all will be there in real numbers. We'll see one by one. First, I will take the counting numbers. Counting numbers like 1, 2, so on are counting numbers. And counting numbers will be present in integers. Integers not only containing these counting numbers, natural numbers, it will contain negative natural numbers like -1, -2, -3, so on. And integers are denoted with the letter Z. Now we'll take one second. Rational numbers. Integers are contained in rational numbers. See, rational numbers not only contain natural numbers, integers, it will contain terminating decimals like 1/2, 3/2, repeating decimals like 1/3. Not only positive rational numbers, it will contain negative rational numbers also. All positive rational numbers, positive fractions, negative fractions, all together will form rational numbers, and it is denoted with the letter Q. See, will all this form real numbers? Anything is missing? This only are there in real numbers. If you think that level, it is wrong. All rational numbers are real numbers, but the outside region is there. See, some complement will be there. What is that complement? Yes, that is nothing but the complement Q dash, the numbers which are not rational, the numbers which cannot be written in P by Q form. Few examples: √2, under root of 3, under root of 5, and so on. See, their decimal expansion is neither terminating nor repeating. So now the rational numbers union irrational numbers. Rational numbers and irrational numbers together will form real numbers. And if you want any common elements in rational and irrational, will be not having. So it is empty set like that. Okay. Thanks for